Today we're going to be discussing a citation that the Illinois Department of Public Health issued to Imboden Creek Living Center in Decatur after a resident there sustained a fall with fractures. My name is Barry Doyle. I am a lawyer in Skokie practicing nursing home abuse and neglect work throughout the state of Illinois. I'm also the author of Built to Fail, a free report available for download from my website, which spells out how the nursing home business model inevitably produces unnecessary injuries and deaths for nursing home residents. The care plan is the basic tool for ensuring that residents get the routine care that they need to help keep them safe and healthy. The key, though, with an effective care plan is that it does have to be tailored to the individual needs of the resident. The resident who was involved in this particular incident was admitted to the hospital after undergoing brain surgery for a short-term rehab stay. The resident was assessed as being a fall risk and very clearly was relating to issues with some dementia, poor safety awareness, generalized weakness, having had a history of falls, and experiencing orthostatic hypotension, which is a drop in blood pressure that some people experience after getting up from a seated position, which can produce a rapid onset of dizziness and result in a fall. A resident with all of these factors very clearly was a fall risk, and but when this resident was admitted, there was no tailored care plan developed for her particular needs. Rather, the nursing home developed what's known as an interim care plan, which is required to be developed within 48 hours of the resident's admission, and then a full care plan must be developed within 2 weeks of the resident's admission to the nursing home. This fall happened on the third day of the resident's admission to the nursing home. There was this interim care plan put into place. However, it didn't address any of the specific needs of the resident. Instead, it basically stated that the residents should be monitored carefully for falls. On the day of the incident, the resident got out of bed to go close the door. While she was on her way to the door, her legs gave out due to generalized weakness, and she fell, suffering a fractured femur, which required surgery. She reported to the hospital staff that her legs were weak and gave out on her. The issue in this place is that there wasn't a really tailored care plan put into place for this resident. It wasn't their care plan didn't address the known factors of this resident, including her poor safety awareness, her generalized weakness, and general memory problems. As a result, the resident wasn't being carefully monitored for falls, and she experienced a fall with a significant fracture, which required an additional surgery, which is occurring in the wake of having had a recent significant surgery that was done on her brain. This was a fall which likely was the result of an inadequate care plan and inadequate fall monitoring on the part of the nursing home staff. I hope you found this interesting. If you have any other questions regarding this or any other nursing home abuse and neglect issue, please feel free to reach out to us. Our number is 312-263-1080, or we can be reached on the internet at www.accidentlawillinois.com. Thanks for watching.